We'll guide you through how to fix a laptop keyboard not working. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. You can follow this on Windows 11 or 10. The steps are going to be very similar. This problem can be really annoying because you then can't go and properly use your laptop. You can't go and search things, you can't go and do different shortcuts, and it just makes it really hard to go and use. So we're going to guide you through some different fixes you can try. Make sure it's full guide and don't skip anything. And hopefully at the end, the problem is going to go and be resolved. So any further ado, let's go and get straight into this. So first of all, we want to just go and check the keyboard has not been locked. What can happen is we can go and essentially lock the keyboard and it won't go and work. So we can try unlocking it. And of course, you've got other fixes you can try as well. So to get started, come to the bottom here. You want to go and find the start button and you want to go and click on it. You get this pop up. And what we need to do is we need to go and find settings. Just here, go and click on it. Now in settings, what we need to do is first of all, come over to the left and you need to go and find the option for accessibility. So come down and find it. In here, scroll all the way down to the interaction section. And in here, you want to go and find keyboard. Click there. Now at the top here, you've got some different options. What you want to do is make sure filter keys is turned off. If I go and turn it on here, you're going to go and find the keyboard, it will not be working. So make sure you go and have that switched off and you can click on it because this can easily be turned on with the keyboard shortcut. So what I recommend you do is you go and have this turned off just so you don't accidentally go and turn it on. Now, as a last resort, if we come back to keyboard here, what you can do is you can go and turn on the on-screen keyboard. Of course, this isn't ideal, but if we go and switch this on, a keyboard will go and pop up and you can go and use it if you really need to go and type. But let's go and continue with the fixes. That is not ideal and it obviously doesn't fix it directly, but it can go and be a quick resolution. So for the next fix, what we need to do is we need to come down to the bottom and you need to go and right click on the Windows Start button again, but this time right click, not left click. So click like this. You get a list of options and what you need to do is go and find Device Manager and go and click there. This will go and open up. In here, what you want to do is you want to go and find keyboards. We can go and expand it over to the left and then we should have your keyboard in here. So what you're going to do is go and right click on it and you can go and press Update Driver. Here you can press Browse my computer for drivers and you can press Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select it and you can go and press Next. Then it says Windows has successfully updated your drivers. You'll go and see about restarting it, but go and see if it's worked. It may have before going and restarting it. So you can press no there for now. Then you can go and see if it works. If it does, great. If you still find that it isn't working, then what you want to do is come back to it here and you need to go and right click on it and find the option Uninstall Device. This will pop up and it says you're about to uninstall this device from your system, your keyboard. So go and press uninstall. And then what we're going to do is go and press restart. If you don't press restart there, you can always go and press the Windows Start button at the bottom. You'll get the pop up and to the right, you can press the power button and then press restart. You can go and see it's now restarting. Go and be patient. Shortly, it will go and start booting again. And doing this essentially just goes and reinstalls it. As often there can be a problem with it. And so uninstalling it and reinstalling it is going to go and resolve the problem. So go be patient, it's now booting. And Windows should shortly go and be available. As I showed you earlier, you can go and use that on-screen keyboard, but it's now started. And if I go and click, let's go and try entering in my password. As you can see, the keyboard is working. So hopefully with the help of this video, you managed to go and resolve the problem and you can now go and use it again. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We make guides like this every single day, so I'm sure we'll be able to go and help you again.